Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can create any React application. So first of all, you will need to have Node.js on your system. If you don't already have it, just go ahead and download it. And once we have it, we can open our Visual Studio Code. And here you want to open a new folder and create, which will store your project basically. And here I named it YouTube Create React App. So I'm inside my folder. I can open up my terminal. So inside this folder, we're gonna use the command npx create react app and the name of your project. I will just say YouTube React. Once you click enter, it will start downloading the packages. It will take a while. So as you can see guys, we have installed all our packages and here our project name YouTube React, and inside this folder we have node modules, we have public folder, we have source folder. The most important stuff is the source, which you will write your own code inside and run it. So there are a bunch of files here. You can delete some of them. For example, you can delete this one, you can delete the file, you can delete the CSS files, you don't need them, you can delete app.css. It's up to you. To start the application, you need to go inside the project name, cd YouTube React, and once we are inside the React, we can say npm start. This will start our application. Yes, it's working. And whenever we make an edit inside our application, it will automatically re-render. So if I want to remove this paragraph here, as you can see, it automatically re-renders. So that's one thing, and I will just delete the whole section here. And now we have nothing. Let's say hello world, and it displays it. Another thing I want to show you is how you can install packages inside your React app. So I will open a new terminal. I will go inside my project. Okay, here I can use the command npm and then whatever the package I want to download. Here I want to download npm install chat scope. So let's copy this and download. Almost all the packages you download will come to package.json file. Here you can see our chat scope has been downloaded, and there are other packages like React, React Doom, etc. And if you want to use, for example, this package that we have just installed, we can go ahead and use it like this, for example. Let's copy the code. Okay, it's giving an error. Oh, we have, it has copied these as well. Okay, if you go back to our application, it's running. So as you can see, it's very easy you can try different options for this. And that was it for this video. Thanks for watching.